Text boxes are very, very similar to word art. I'm going to come back over here. It's just not as fancy in terms of what it looks like. So you're going to click on Insert, Text Box, draw a text box itself, and here is my text box. So again, this is floating on top of the other cells, and I can reposition it. I can do a lot of the same colorations, but I'm not, instead of using the shape format, I'm using the regular text format you use for any of these fonts. That's hard to read, so let's go back to white. You can increase the font in here as well. And just like we did previously, we can say, hey, this is going to be equal to A1, and here is the contents of my text box. And then there you go. And then, of course, you'd have to go ahead and reformat your text however you want that to be. You can shrink it up. We can rotate it around. And then, of course, position it wherever you want to position it.